Well, as a company, right now, we do a lot of work internationally. Our licensed products and technology create about 10,000 jobs in Asia, in China principally, and about 1,000 jobs in the Boston area. But what we're doing now is, about 6 years ago, we made a decision to also start looking at enabling manufacturing on a local and distributed basis again. And to that end, we actually have a facility that is about 3 months away from completion and use. And what we'll be able to do is the first generation, or the first phase of it, will be able to do injection molding from parts anywhere from micro parts with high precision to parts weighing several hundred pounds with machinery that's about an order of magnitude smaller and uses an order of magnitude less power. And so what we're going to be able to do is also an order of magnitude less tooling cost. So whereas a lot of companies are driven to going offshore saying, hey, I can't make this here, we're going to show them that they can make it here. We're going to be able to say, as an example, the chairs you're sitting on, if we were to mold them out of plastic, as an example, tooling for that might be $40 or $50 or $60,000 normally. We can do that for about $6,000, and we can do it in 2 or 3 weeks. And we're going to show and enable companies to go to manufacturing. We were doing this for the end of next year, and at the behest of a number of people in the community, we're trying to accelerate that up a year, given the news from GM, so that we can start enabling, including some of the innovators here, to be able to bring things onshore. And we're looking at creating a lot of distributed manufacturing opportunities so that we create balance. Those distributed manufacturing opportunities will be in Asia for the Asian community as the consumer. And in the US, we've got 2 joint ventures going on where the Americans will be their own consumers. We need to do the same thing here so that we can create good, valuable goods. The other aspect of that we're doing is we have got processes now that let us do 100% recycling. We can take old aluminum or we can take plastics and use 100% recycled material to make new goods. We do not need to add fresh new materials, and that's going to enable a lot of innovative, creative ways of taking waste and converting it into products. So not only are we helping develop technologies to enable products, now we're really, the last 6 years, we've focused on being able to make those here once again.
Wonderful news.